If you need to see your bookings on Calendly, I'll show you the fastest way to find them in just a few clicks. This is a super simple walkthrough, whether you want to check an upcoming meeting, confirm invitee details, or quickly open the meeting link for something already scheduled. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click on Meetings. This is where Calendly keeps your booking activity organized, so it's the best place to start when you want to review scheduled events. After that, you'll want to open the Upcoming tab. This tab shows your scheduled bookings, so you can see what meetings are coming up and when they're happening. If you have multiple bookings, this is the easiest place to scan through them and find the one you need. Now, once you see the booking you want, click on it to open the full details. Inside the booking, you can review the invitee information, check the meeting time, and view the meeting link. This is especially helpful if you need to double check who booked the meeting or quickly grab the link before the call starts. If you're managing several appointments, this view also helps you stay organized and make sure everything is correct before the meeting. And that's it. That's how to see bookings on Calendly in a very simple way. Just log in, go to Meetings, open Upcoming, and select the booking for full details. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Calendly tips and other step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.